That notification was withdrawn in 2017. Now, my lord, this notification of 2011 can be held to be not valid if the government and my lord, state government, my lord, adopts the UGC regulation. It is the my lord clear stand of the government in different affidavits. My lord, I have filed an additional affidavit showing one of the affidavits where they say that neither 2010 or 2018 regulation has
Yes,
been adopted.
that is something. Yes,
If that is
Mr.
not adopted,
Mr. Gogoi,
Lordship, regarding qualification per adoption.
One thing,
is not required.
one thing.
Lordship,
It's your stand, even in the division bench I have
Lordship,
seen.
Lordship, Lordship.
That UGC, we are not worried. We are not concerned with
Yes.
UGC. So your 2011 notification, DHOS, what is with the UGC, is a notification issued by you. It should have
No,
application.
Lordship,
I made a mistake in Om Prakash.
no, Lordship. We never said that the qualification part is not required, Lordship. As per our act, qualification should be as per the UGC, Lordship. Qualification part, there is no dialogue. We
Then
cannot
how
dialogue.
can you
We
have,
cannot dialogue.
you take up a part of the
Lordship.
UGC thing and leave the other part?
Lordship, minimum qualification.
1971 Supreme Court said, if you have it, you have it for
Minimum
full. Yes, no.
minimum qualification part, we cannot dilute, Lordship.
in entirety.
We cannot
entirety.
dilute, Lordship. We cannot dilute minimum qualification part, Lordship. But
No,
adoption
today I
is,
found a
adoption is
judgment.
other things, Lordship.
Today I found a matter wherein the plea taken is
Lordship.
that Mr. Chaudhary, you are there.
My matter, my lord, it was adjourned because my lord, he had
Mr.
some-
Chaudhary is there, that marking procedure,
Lordship, Lordship,
that you are not adopting.
Yes,
Lordship,
that is the.
That again,
Lordship.
you are violating the laid down norms of the
Lordship,
UGC.
as per the rules also, Lordship, we cannot dilute the minimum required qualification, Lordship.
No. The procedure for recruitment, the marking procedure.
Marking, m- w- we are on minimum qualification part, Lordship.
No, I'm saying that the UGC has said that conduct the selection in this manner,
Lordship.
right? Okay, fine, we
Yes.
understand. But the UGC has gone further and said that you must also conduct the selection in this
Yes.
manner. This is the selection
In that
committee.
particular case, division bench, the shortlisting part was we have not done, Lordship.
No,
Petitioners,
there is further
yeah,
grievances are there.
I will satisfy in the division bench. Otherwise, Lordship, even Lordship here, I can also satisfy here also, Lordship.
No, we'll have to, when Mr. Chaudhary has raised that point, we'll have to answer that.
Lordship has answered this
Only
question.
problem is,
That was not brought to your lordship notice. That is my humble submission before
no,
lordship.
Lordship-
Mr. Chaudhary, even if that was brought to my notice, let us accept your argument for a minute. That Mr. Gogoi is wrong. That if he accepts, he has to accept it in full. Be that as it may. But again, it will boil down to that, what was that meeting? 463 and 460,
463 and 473 and 474.
474 meetings. Now, once that meeting itself, which is the source for the MPhil, minimum qualification as MPhil, having been held to be bad, not only by the government, central government, by not approving it, but rather that non-approval being approved by the Supreme Court.
I get your lordship point.
So if that be so, how can one order which is being continued by the state government being illegal, we say, no, the state government, because it has its power, can go ahead. Show me something on
No,
that.
Even Lordship, prior to Lordship, Supreme Court judgment, Lordship, prior to judgment of the
We have a judgment of
our High
division.
Court judgment is
division
there.
bench.
My Lord Justice Ujjwal Bhai has authored that judgment, Lordship,
I know that.
and it is holding in the field, Lordship. It
My
has
lord,
never go to appeal,
there
Lordship.
are two division bench judgments of this honorable court where it is said that, my lord, UGC regulations are binding. In spite of that, my lord, the government files affidavit
No.
saying that we have not adopted.
That Mr. Chaudhary, we were waiting for that matter today, but unfortunately it was not taken. That would have been the question, first
That
question.
matter, Lordship, question was already clear even the day before yesterday also, Lordship. Last week also, I will place the latest judgment on Honorable Apex Court also. Whole picture is clear.
So
Lordship.
what we do is, we'll have it on a non-hearing day. Once we'll have it on a non-hearing day, and then we will try, because
Lordship.
hearing day it will not be possible.
Lordship. Lordship.
I don't want Mr. Chaudhary. You can stay back, Mr. Chaudhary to stay back so
Well,
long.
we also up to
And that
six,
too
Lordship.
not in a very heavy brief.
Up to
Size
six,
is brief, big, but it's not a heavy brief.
up to six we can, Lordship.
So when, Mr. Chaudhary, when it will be?
Maybe it convenient to your lordship.
Monday?
Next
Monday.
week, Lordship, I have some difficulties. Next week,
I
Lordship.
may not be here. I don't know. After
Then, Lordship,
the-
when Lordship will come, Lordship.
I don't
Next
know
week,
when
Lordship, I
I'll
have
be-
some difficulties. Probably I am not here, Lordship.
I
Next
don't
week.
know when I'll be here.
So, Lordship.
Or should I ask it to be listed before,
My lord, dear lordship, because my lord.
only on that point?
That's
Lordship
why
may,
I pray
as and
that
when
your-
Lordship is available, then Lordship may take it. Now, we have
I
no
pray
issue.
that your worship will make it part, otherwise my lord.
It's already parted, you know.
Already part, already part. It's already part.
Further hearing, further hearing.
It's for further hearing. It's for further hearing.
Due to paucity of time, heard Mr. Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, and Mr. K. Gugoi, learned standing counsel, higher education department are present. However, on account, due to paucity of time, the matter could not be taken up for final consideration. So accordingly, as prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, raised it to list this matters after 2 weeks, as and when this bench is
Lordship,
available.
Lordship.
My lord, not on 18th, my lord, 18th.
No,
after
after 2
2
weeks,
weeks, after-
whenever this bench is
Right.
available.
Lordship,
Or you just make a mention with her, she'll get it.
Right.
Just ask her, she'll get it listed.
Lordship,
But if I'm here after 2 weeks,
Lordship.
then she'll get it. Just
Lordship.
make a mention, it'll look ID book.
Apology, Lordship.
ডাঙৰ এই বাইদেউ ক'তনো হা